So we're gonna put that on. Hey guys, it's NightCore here, and today, as I promised, I'm going to do a makeup video for you guys. So this is my first time. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is going to be a colorful makeup tutorial. So let's start. So first, I'm going to prime my face with this. All matte pore invisible face primer so that it makes my skin soft just before the foundation. It's very oily. I don't know if you can see. Gonna fast this bit out. It's very hot. It's very hot. Maybe here. That's good, I think. So it minimizes pores. So I got that from Amazon. It's a really good website to shop from. And it's not expensive as the other expensive brands of makeup. Okay, so I got a sponge like this. It's a really small sponge. I have like 20 of them now. So this is the foundation I'm going to be using. I got this from AliExpress too. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying my best. Okay, so this Maria Aurora. It's matte and I think full coverage. My shade is porcelain because I'm very white. So yeah, gonna do some close up. Even though I don't like. Oh yeah, I forgot to do correcting. Okay, so first I'm going to use, just before the foundation, I'm going to be using this color corrector from AliExpress too. It's green. It helps with the redness around your face. I have a little redness on my cheeks. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I'm gonna. It's so weird being a makeup guru, but I'm trying my best here, so just pat that on. Okay, so I'm back, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna do I think that's good. Some on my nose. Okay, so I'm gonna do my foundation next. I don't have that many time because I don't have much space on my mobile. I know I'm pale, you don't have to tell me. So I have a mirror over here to see myself. Cars are driving by, like, what is she doing? Or you can just put it I really like this foundation because it matches my skin tone so much good. Alright, so let that dry down on your face because it gives a matte finish. So yeah, just let it dry. I hope it looks good. So first concealer, I'm gonna use this concealer. Wait, Face Lady too. It's from AliExpress again because I love that website. So I'm gonna do my under eyes because they are so dark. It looks like, yeah, and this light, the color. So I make a triangle just like that. Illuminati. Anyways, so I made the concealer under and to cover my pimples too on my lips. So I'm gonna blend that out. So look up. I have to look up. So I'm gonna be right back. Just when I finish blurring out my concealer, and I put some on my eyes for it to be like a primer. Okay, so now I'm going to bake. My jaw. Okay, so that's fine. Gonna let it sit right there. It's flying everywhere. Okay, so yeah. Be back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now with this shade right here. Wait, this shade right here. Light brown, because I can't find my pencil. With an angled brush. Okay, so I airbrushed it, guys, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour. Okay. So I have this cream contour palette. I'm gonna take this shade right here to contour, and this I'm gonna use the angled brush again. So just gonna draw a line here, maybe there too. Gonna do some more, and I'll be right back when I'm done. Okay, so I did the contour, as you can see, in my nose and my jawline. So I'm gonna blend that out real quick. Okay, so I'm using a contour brush, it's like angled. You can't really see. Okay, so you have to blend this really hard. Just because it's cream contour. So yeah. This brush kind of okay, so see that? Okay, now here's the contour. And now I'm gonna finally got to do the eyeshadow. So my I found a picture on Pinterest. I will insert it here. And I really liked it. It's like iridescent, the iridescent opal eyeshadow. So I really liked it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna come close up so you guys can see what I'm doing. For the iridescent look, I need to first put highlighter all over the lid. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to use this highlighter palette. It's like unicorns versus mermaids. I really like it. It's really pretty. And I'm gonna use plenty of Finboy. Okay guys, so I used Fan Beauty Cosmetics luxury powder so that I'm not that white on my cheeks. I used it. I don't know if you can see, but okay. So I'm gonna be mixing those two now. Anyways, okay, the eyes. I'm gonna use this. Oh, this one is Position Issues. It has a little green to it, so I have to do that. Wait, on my eyes. So I'm gonna do. Oh my God, there's so much powder here. So first you have to do a primer on your eyes, but just because it's iridescent before applying any eyeshadow. I don't know if you can see. I'll be right back when I'm done. I don't know if you can see, you guys, so I'm done with the highlighter on my eyes. I don't know if you can see it. Now I'm gonna start by doing the pink on the outer corner, the outer eye, and I'm going to do a close-up of it. So I'm going to be using this brush, this angled flat brush, and then I'll be blending it with this round one. The shade of pink I'm going to be using is from Eyeshadow Cajolet. This little palette right here, it's really pigmented, so yeah, I'm gonna use this one and this one together, and so you guys see that? Okay, so you guys see that pink over there? I'm gonna make it more on the hot pink side. So you guys see that? Hot pink blended. And now I'm going to blend it with this round brush. Okay, so I did the other eye pink off camera, as you guys can see. Okay, so now I'm going to do the outer corner of my eye, dark blue, I think. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to be using shade in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye. I don't know if you can see that. It's definitely showing. Okay, so that is how it is right now. So I'm gonna be using this color on the left side now, a light blue on the center. I'll be right back. As you can see, so that is it. The last color in the inner corner I'm going to be using is the yellow. I'm gonna be using from this palette. It has a real nice packaging. I'm gonna be using this color stars right here, on the inner corner. So I'll be right back. And I use this one right here too, the yellow one. So that is how the eyeshadow looks. I really hope you like it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner liner. So okay, so that's the eyeliner. I'm gonna do it on the other eye. Guys, this is my eyeliner and my mascara, and I just put this black under my eyes, the highlighter, and I put some lip balm and purple lipstick, as you can see. So I hope you really guys like this makeup tutorial, and I hope you try it. It's really fun and colorful. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. As always, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys next Wednesday, I think. No, next Saturday, I think. Yeah, but I think I'm going to play a game next Saturday. So yeah, if you like it, press that notification bell down below and talk to me in the comment section. Peace. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.